How to link Audiate with Camtasia. First of all, open Audiate and make sure your audio file is fully edited and ready for export. Next, go to the File menu, click on Export and choose the option Export to Camtasia. A pop-up window will appear showing two options, Export to Media Bin and Export to Timeline. Export to Media Bin will save your audio in Camtasia's media library so you can link it to any project when needed. Export to Timeline will directly link your audio to the current Camtasia timeline for immediate use. Here I am choosing Export to Timeline to link it quickly. After selecting it, you will be asked to save the file, and then it will automatically link your audio to Camtasia's timeline. If you choose Export to Media Bin instead, it will also ask you to save the file first, and then the audio will be linked to Media Bin in Camtasia. Once imported, drag the audio onto your timeline. You can now link this high-quality edited audio with your video clips. If needed, use Camtasia's tools to adjust timing or add effects to make sure the audio and video are perfectly linked. And that's it. Now you know how to link Audiate with Camtasia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.